Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this AVID POWER heat gun. I've already been using this for a month now, and this is a great heat gun to have if you need to shrink different plastics for wires or scrape off paint or any kind of project that you need to apply heat to something. So let me show you what's inside. So here's a package. Here's your heat gun. It has a good grip to it. It feels very comfortable. If you need to stand it up, it stands up by itself. So you can work like this. On the front, here's the on and off. You have 3 different power settings, 1, 2, and 3. So here, this is how you set up the different temperature of the heat gun, 1 to 6. So this goes up to 600 Fahrenheit. A nice long cable. It comes with the scraping tool. It has these 2 nozzles to direct the heat to a specific area. It has this heat shield one if you just want to heat up the wires, and then it has this one also. So everything fits perfectly right on the nozzle right here. And then it even has like a heat shield. So let me show you how quick and easy this heat gun will melt this butt crimp right here. So I like to leave it on 5-4 so that way that it doesn't heat up too quickly and it doesn't burn or melt this. So you just turn it on. I like to put on 2. And then once you give it a few minutes just to heat up, then all you do is just move this back and forth on the plastic and it will shrink wrap it. Then you can see how it's crimping already and shrinking it. Just move it back and forth, no rush. And it's done. Overall, this is a great heat gun to have. I like how easy it is to use and that it brings all these different accessories. I also like how you can set up the different heat settings here and the different blower speeds right here. So this works very well for all the things that I need it for.